Hello everyone, welcome to part 57 of 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself by Steve Chandler. I'm Walt. Here we are with our 57th principle, which is to live on the frontier. And this is a pretty interesting one. He goes into kind of how people have been fascinated with the American frontier, the pioneer kind of lifestyle. Now, a lot of pioneers actually suffered through some really hard times. Look at the Homestead Act being a really not advantageous part of history. But regardless of how rough the pioneers really had it, this is kind of spirit about the pioneers that people are so fascinated with. This whole like going out, being adventurous, exploring this new kind of land, this new kind of lifestyle, all that kind of thing of just having it all on your back, really just putting it all in your wagon and going out and kind of trying to create a new life for yourself. At least that's kind of what he's getting at, as being this kind of fascination that people have had. And he compares that with the technological advances in kind of the information age, which has now come in like 1989 roughly is where some would date the information age as having kind of started. And saying that this new information age is that kind of frontier when we're no longer so concerned about what people's job histories are, and we're now more concerned about his capabilities. He goes into an example of a 70-year-old who can speak Chinese and who knows all about software and who is super interested in this kind of topic, and how if you have a company that wants to sell its software in the Chinese market, that this is exactly the kind of person you want to hire. Even though he's 70, even though his job history may not be the greatest, if he has this kind of skill, that's what people are really looking for, is this kind of nuanced skill. It's not about just, how many years did you put into the company? It's not about this and that. It's about what can you do. And I think this is also an extremely exciting part, is that the information age is a time when you can share yourself all over the world. You can make videos just like this that people will watch for generations to come, that people will, continue to view. This can be a great source of passive income. You can find yourself, able to write articles that people are going to read all over the world. You can connect to millions of people in ways that we never could before. And this can make you a lot of money. This can give you a lot of, success, can give you a great feeling of achievement, and it also can be used to help a lot more people. So this kind of frontier is the biggest one we've kind of ever faced. Maybe it's not the final frontier kind of component there, Star Trek, but still, it is a huge frontier of this technological advancement, and technology just keeps getting better and better. It is like the most exciting time to be alive. We can do more than ever. Our technology is getting better, and it is just absolutely fantastic. So live on the frontier, jump into the technological world, and just really go after your dreams, because more than ever, it is the time to achieve them. Anyway, that's it for part 57. I'm Walt. I'll see you guys next time with part 58. Stay tuned. I'll see you then.